Hey, it's Uncle Mo from Lil Helper. You guys must have seen our burp cloths, right? Like I don't know why I haven't made a video telling you exactly what these are, how we've made them, and how they're supposed to be used. Okay, so our burp cloths are, firstly, you can, let me tell you the size. It's 7 inches in width over here, 26 inches in length. Okay, 7 inches in width on the narrow side, and it's like it's like an 8 shaped. 7 inches in width over here, 26 inches in length, and it's supposed to, you can wear it two ways. So it's a simple product. Let me show you the product first. It's PUL on one side, completely waterproof, the same PUL that you see on our diapers, everything else in our products, the bibs, change mats, lifesaver mats, all of these have the same PUL. And the bamboo terry is the same bamboo terry that you see on our bamboo wipes, on our bamboo inserts, on the back of our biggie bibs, exactly the same bamboo wipe. Bamboo terry. Okay, so this can be used two ways. So if you have a child, whenever you feed your child, you want to actually put them on your put them on your shoulders to make sure that they burp. If you are going to have a child, make sure you burp your child, otherwise the child gets gassy and then they cry. It's no fun. Chances are you're already running on low energy and your sleep is all over the place, and you don't want your child to have colic or any kind of gas in their system, because no fun. Anyway, so you put your child over here, pat them on the back, pat them on the bum until you hear an audible burp. And whenever, chances are, if your child is breastfed or they're on a liquid diet, there is a little bit of yogurt kind of substance that kind of comes out. We literally used to call it yogurt in our home, the baby yogurt, when Zara was growing up. So, and what would happen is you would, if you don't want to spoil basically when your child burps, you don't want to spoil your clothes. And with the drool as well, kids are always drooling. So when you have your child on your shoulder, you don't want to go and change your clothes again, especially people who are working from home and all of that. This burp cloth solves that issue very well. Okay, so use it like this and put your child on it. And you could use it this way, or you could use it this way. Both ways are fine, whichever way. If you know that your child is just drooling, maybe you can use this way. Okay, this is much better for drooling. If your child is going to do that, if you know that your child is going to do that pukey thing, maybe you put it this way, and that way you can just wipe off everything and start off fresh. These guys come in a ton of beautiful colors. If you haven't already seen them, let me show it to you quickly. These are just a few of the many design and samples we have on the website. You'll see them. This is one. Again, the back of all of these are exactly the same. This is one of my favorite prints of all time, with this blue. Looks super nice. I'm just going to become close. Here is our slots. This print, I don't know, it's one of our most popular prints. New Wales, we call it. Mobot, my namesake, is on this one. Look at these colors. Like, makes an excellent this makes burp cloths make an excellent baby shower gifts. If you are going to see new parents, they can never have enough of these burp cloths. So makes for a fantastic gift as well, and it's not too expensive, and you can get some good use out of it. And I'm sure once parents have it, they can find multiple small uses out of it here and there. People use it in the back of their car seats sometimes, if they are just afraid that the diaper is going to leak. You can use it as kind of like a makeshift bib as well. You can just tuck it around your child's thing, and you can use it as a makeshift bib. It has a bunch of uses to it because of the waterproof PUL on one side and the absorption bamboo terry on one side. Hope you guys can give it a shot. Fantastic little product. Lil Helper's Burp Cloth. Take care. Bye-bye.